What is your major challenge on social media today?
How to go viral.
How to go viral.
If you want your brand to go viral, then learn how to create and use free realistic AI videos like this one. Hi, let me show you how to create free realistic AI videos that can speak your customer's language perfectly.
Look at this.
You think you are not photogenic. That's because we haven't given you a shot.
Until the very night you found me, it never dawned on me that there's more to live for. I'm most grateful, my Lord.
I don't know what happened to my stew last weekend though. It tasted like one yeye thing, and I had visitors to attend to.
My dear, you better get this cookbook on how to replicate your great tastes every single time. The 4 tips are really helpful.
Fine girl, you they make me crazy. Walking with that stunning grace. Can you give space? Let's cruise at my pace.
My king, I need you to know I love you so dearly.
Imagine that you can create these and more daily for free. Click the button below to get started.